Hello, Excel teachers and staff. Our CityYear team just wanted to take a minute at this point in the year before going off to winter break to really share our sincere appreciation for all of the hard work and dedication that you all show to the Excel community and students, and all the support that you provided us, being so welcoming to our team throughout the year. Knowing that things are super difficult right now, we really sincerely appreciate all of you and everything that you all do, and just want to share that with you all.
When I think of the Excel staff, I think of unsung heroes, patience, tenacity, and vibrancy also comes to mind.
If I could say one thing to the Excel staff, I'd say you're always there to support and uplift our students in the toughest of times, and I have the utmost respect for the work that you do.
I could say one thing to the Excel staff. It's hard to put into one word, but the main is thank you. Thank you for welcoming us into your community. Thank you for inspiring us each day to do better. And thank you for being such a great force for good for all of our students.
Hello, teachers. We want to thank you so much for being amazing inside the classroom and out. We feel so fortunate to have been placed with you guys. You are amazing, and we are inspired by you daily. And we just want to thank you for being so wonderful and for all that you do for us and for the students.
I had one thing I would say to the Excel staff is, other than thank you, is that I appreciate everything that you've all done and all the hard work that you put in.
If I had one thing to say to the Excel staff, it would be despite during these unprecedented times, you still managed to bring so much energy and passion, and you share that with the students and the learning, and I think that's very admirable, so thank you.
If I could say one thing to the Excel staff, it would be that I am extremely grateful for everything you guys do. These are obviously challenging times, and you guys managed to keep not only myself and the students, but also our entire team motivated and locked in, and you guys are the best. You guys are doing amazing work. Thank you guys so much.
I could say one thing to Excel staff would be thank you for all the hard work you've put into making the best out of virtual learning. It's been really hard, but you've been an incredible support for us and for all of our students.
Again, thank you all so much for everything that you do. We really, really, really appreciate you and are so privileged to be a part of this community. Thank you for everything that you've done so far this year. We're really looking forward to closing the year out with you all, and I hope you have a wonderful and well-deserved February break.